the lifeblood of healthcare essential medicines. These are the drugs that make modern medicine possible, the compounds that turn the tide in the battle against disease. Imagine a world without antibiotics. Imagine surgeries without anesthesia. The very thought is daunting, as these medicines are the unsung heroes in every operating room. Imagine chronic diseases without treatment. Conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and asthma would be unmanageable, leading to a significant decline in quality of life. This is the world without essential medicines. Empty shelves and desperate healthcare providers would become the norm, leading to preventable suffering and death. These medicines form the bedrock of healthcare systems worldwide. They are the foundation upon which we build our health services, ensuring that care is available when needed. They are crucial for treating a wide range of diseases. From acute infections to long-term conditions, these medicines are indispensable. From common infections to chronic illnesses, these medicines save lives. They are the difference between life and death for many patients. They also improve the quality of life for millions. By managing symptoms and controlling diseases, they allow people to live fuller, healthier lives. Access to essential medicines is not a privilege. It is a necessity for maintaining public health and ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to thrive. It is a fundamental human right. Every individual, regardless of where they live, should have access to the medicines they need. Ensuring this access is a global imperative. It requires the concerted efforts of nations, organizations, and communities working together. It requires a complex interplay of stakeholders. Policies must be crafted, agreements signed, and resources allocated to make this vision a reality. This includes governments, international organizations, and crucially, the pharmaceutical industry. Together, they must ensure that essential medicines are available, affordable, and accessible to all. Titans of the industry mega, medicine producers. These giants are the backbone of the pharmaceutical world, driving innovation and ensuring the availability of life-saving drugs. Mega medicine producers are the titans of the pharmaceutical industry. They are the powerhouses that keep the wheels of healthcare turning, ensuring that essential medicines reach those in need. These companies operate on a massive scale. Their production floors are a testament to their capability, with conveyor belts carrying thousands of medicine bottles every hour. They have the resources and expertise to produce vast quantities of essential medicines. Their state-of-the-art facilities and cutting-edge technology enable them to meet the high demand for various treatments. They invest heavily in research and development. This commitment to innovation allows them to stay ahead in the competitive pharmaceutical landscape. This allows them to bring new and innovative treatments to market. Their research teams work tirelessly to discover and develop new drugs that can improve and save lives. These companies play a critical role in the global healthcare ecosystem. They ensure that hospitals and clinics around the world are stocked with the necessary medications. They are responsible for producing the medicines that doctors rely on every day. Without their efforts, many treatments would simply not be available. Their ability to mass-produce these medicines makes them accessible to a wider population. This mass production capability is crucial for keeping costs down and ensuring that medicines are affordable. This is particularly important in developing countries. In these regions, access to affordable medication can make a significant difference in public health outcomes. In these countries, access to healthcare can be limited. Mega medicine producers help bridge this gap by providing essential medicines to remote and underserved areas, improving the quality of life for countless individuals. A global supply chain from factory to hospital. The journey of an essential medicine from a factory to a hospital is a complex one. It involves a sophisticated global supply chain. This chain encompasses multiple stages. These stages include manufacturing, packaging, shipping, and distribution. Mega medicine producers have developed intricate logistics networks. These networks ensure that medicines reach their destinations safely and efficiently. This is particularly challenging when transporting temperature-sensitive medications. These medications require specialized storage and transportation. Packaging precision, ensuring safety and efficacy. Packaging plays a crucial role in the safe and effective delivery of essential medicines. Medicines are often packaged in single-dose units. This helps to prevent contamination and ensure accurate dosing. The packaging also provides vital information about the medicine. This information includes the name, dosage, and expiration date. This information is essential for healthcare providers. It ensures that patients receive the correct medication and dosage. Section 5. Navigating the labyrinth, regulatory approvals and customs. Exporting medicines across borders is a highly regulated process. Mega medicine producers must comply with stringent regulatory requirements. These requirements vary from country to country. They ensure the safety and efficacy of the medicines being imported. Navigating the customs process can be complex and time-consuming. Delays in customs can have serious consequences. This is especially true for time-sensitive medications. These medications are needed for emergency care. Section 6. The race against time, emergency response and disaster relief. In times of crisis, the role of mega medicine producers becomes even more critical. Natural disasters, disease outbreaks, and humanitarian emergencies create a surge in demand for essential medicines. Mega medicine producers often play a vital role in disaster relief efforts. They work closely with governments and aid organizations. This ensures a timely supply of essential medicines to affected areas. Their ability to rapidly mobilize resources and leverage their global logistics networks is crucial in saving lives. Section 7. A lifeline for millions. Impact on global health. The impact of mega medicine producers on global health is undeniable. These companies are at the forefront of medical innovation, constantly developing new treatments and vaccines that address some of the world's most pressing health challenges. Their medicines save millions of lives each year, from antibiotics that combat bacterial infections to life-saving drugs for chronic conditions. Their contributions are vast and varied. They also improve the quality of life for countless others. Patients with chronic illnesses can manage their conditions more effectively, leading to longer, healthier lives. They have been instrumental in eradicating diseases like smallpox. This monumental achievement showcases the power of coordinated global health efforts and the critical role of pharmaceutical companies. They have also played a key role in controlling the spread of HIV/AIDS and tuberculosis. Through extensive research and development, they have provided effective treatments that have transformed these once deadly diseases into manageable conditions. The availability of essential medicines allows people to lead healthier and more productive lives. Vaccinations, for instance, protect children from preventable diseases, ensuring they can grow up healthy and strong. This has a ripple effect on families, communities, and entire nations. When individuals are healthy, they can contribute more effectively to their communities, fostering economic growth and social stability. By improving health outcomes, mega medicine producers contribute to global development. Their work not only saves lives, but also supports the broader goals of international development, helping to build a healthier, more prosperous world for all. Section 8. The innovation imperative, research and development. The pharmaceutical industry is constantly evolving. New diseases are emerging. Existing diseases are becoming resistant to current treatments. This makes innovation in the pharmaceutical industry not just important, but absolutely essential. Mega medicine producers invest heavily in research and development. This leads to the discovery and development of new medicines and treatments. This continuous innovation is crucial for addressing unmet medical needs and improving global health outcomes. Section 9. Challenges and opportunities, the future of medicine production. The pharmaceutical industry faces a number of challenges. These include the rising cost of research and development, the threat of counterfeit medicines, and the need to ensure access to medicines in developing countries. However, there are also significant opportunities for growth and innovation. Advances in technology, such as artificial intelligence and personalized medicine, are transforming the pharmaceutical industry. These advances have the potential to revolutionize the way medicines are discovered, developed, and delivered. Section 10. Ensuring access for all, the quest for affordable healthcare. One of the biggest challenges facing the pharmaceutical industry is ensuring access to affordable medicines. The high cost of many essential medicines puts them out of reach for many people, especially in low-income countries. There is a growing movement to make essential medicines more affordable. This includes initiatives to promote generic competition and to negotiate lower prices for medicines. Governments, international organizations, and the pharmaceutical industry must work together. This will ensure that everyone has access to the medicines they need. Section 11. A shared responsibility supporting life-saving exports. The export of essential medicines by mega medicine producers is a lifeline for millions around the world. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. Supporting these companies in their mission is a shared responsibility. By fostering an environment that encourages innovation, ensures fair pricing, and streamlines regulatory processes, we can help ensure that everyone, everywhere, has access to the life-saving medicines they need. This is not just a matter of healthcare, but a fundamental human right.